Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with y'all how to use up your zucchinis you're getting out of the garden. This right here is an easy side dish you can make. We're going to be using just a few vegetables, and you will be needing a little bit of sour cream. And I only use Daisy's sour cream. You can use whatever you got though, but let's get started. Okay, we're going to start by slicing our zucchini. Now this one right here is the perfect size. You could go a little bit smaller for this, but the real big ones might not work as good. But this right here is a delicious side dish. I'm actually just going to even eat this for my lunch today. And this, hold on a second. We got to fix that cutting board, y'all. Okay, if y'all don't know this, you can take you and wet you a paper towel if your cutting board's trying to move around on you like that. Pick this up, we're going to set it over here. Spread that paper towel that's damp and wet on whatever you're trying to use your cutting board on. Put it on there, and now look. Now I can finish. So that's just a tip for y'all if your cutting board's trying to wiggle around on you. And then we're going to cut them in this shape. Now you could use yellow squash for this, but I wouldn't, like I was saying, I wouldn't use one of those real huge ones. Those are more like to make zucchini bread. Sometimes you have to cut some of the seeds out, but those are great to keep for making zucchini bread. But today we're going to cook this up. I've made this a couple times, and it's delicious. So we're going to take our zucchini now, and we're going to put it in this container right here. I'm going to have to do a little bit at a time. And then once you get it in a container, take you a little bit of cornstarch and just coat it real lightly. Give it a shake and get all of it coated with a little bit of cornstarch. We're going to turn our skillet on, add some avocado oil to that. Now we're going to start placing our zucchini in our skillet. Now we'll put our second batch in here. I like to do small batches, that way they all get coated good for the crust from the cornstarch. And yes, make a mess all over your kitchen. It won't be good unless you make a mess. Clean up some of the cornstarch or mess you made. And now as they start cooking, we're just going to flip them over, because I want them to have that pretty crust. That's why we're cooking them like this instead of like mixing them all together. But doing this way, it sure is good. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take them out. We're going to place them on this plate. I'm not going to even drain the oil off of them, because that avocado oil gives them a lot of flavor. We're going to put our second batch in. Now at this point, if you need to add you a little bit more oil, go ahead. Now, if you didn't want to dust them with a little cornstarch, you could always use a little bit of flour. But I like the texture the cornstarch gives. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take these out. Now we're going to add a little carrots and onions. Now y'all, once you start to smell your onions cooking, add you about a tablespoon of minced garlic. Cook that just for a few minutes, not long. Now we're going to add our zucchini back to it. Mix it up. Get it coated good with that garlic. Some salt. Pepper. Some onion powder. Some garlic powder. Now we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of sour cream. And it's got to be Daisy. Around here, Daisy's the only thing we use. About 1/4 of a cup, a little bit of water. Give that a mix. Get all that sour cream mixed in there. We're going to put our lid on it and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Okay, y'all, it's been 10 minutes. We're going to give it a little stir. That made us like a creamy sauce. Now I've got some dill. You could put parsley, dill, whatever you got in there. But I'm just going to add some fresh dill to the top. Now let's serve us up some. If you've never tried your zucchini like this, oh, you need to give it a try, y'all. And you might be wondering, am I going to eat all that? And probably yes. This is my lunch. Look at that. Ooh, that's going to be good, y'all. And while it's still hot, we'll sprinkle just a little bit of cheddar cheese on top. Okay, y'all. I hope you give this a try. If you like our video, don't forget to hit the hype button. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you hadn't already. All those little things help our channel get out there and grow. Every little bit helps. We're trying to reach 100,000. Help us get there. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.